positive thought. Gratitude unlocks the door to abundant blessings and endless possibilities. Thank you for giving so much love to our first season. Because of this, I have made more detailed episodes in our second season on self-improvement topics specially for you so that you can make your life better. Every episode will be deleted after some days. If you want to listen to them back, you should go to Self-Help with Adi. You will get all episodes from the season 2. From now on, we will see everything from small to big about self-improvement in our upcoming episodes. Welcome to Self-Help with Adi. I am your host Adi. I am here to help you improve your life. Today we will talk about body language in communication skills. Body language is a way of communicating without words. It includes our facial expressions, gestures, posture, and eye contact. Body language can be used to convey a variety of messages, such as interest, confidence, attraction, or boredom. It's important to be aware of our body language, both in our personal and professional lives. Positive body language can help us to make good impression and to build strong relationships. And negative body language can make us seem unapproachable or even hostile. Here are some things to avoid. Fisting. Fisting can show you are nervous or uncomfortable. Crossing your arms. Crossing your arms can make you seem closed off and unapproachable. Slouching. Slouching can make you seem uninterested and unconfident. Avoiding eye contact. Avoiding eye contact can make you seem shy or unconfident. Here are some tips for using positive body language. Make eye contact. Eye contact shows that you are interested in what the other person has to say. Smile. A smile is friendly and inviting expression. Have open and relaxed body language. This shows that you are comfortable and confident. Lean in slightly when someone is talking to you. This shows that you are interested in what they have to say. Nod your head to show that you are listening and understanding. Here are some examples of how body language can be used to communicate effectively. If you are giving a presentation, you can use positive body language to show that you are confident and knowledgeable. You can do this by making eye contact, smiling, and having open and relaxed body language. If you are negotiating a deal, you can use positive body language to show that you are interested in working with the other person. You can do this by leaning in slightly when they are talking, nodding your head to show that you are listening, and making eye contact. If you are on job interview, you can use positive body language to show that you are interested in the job and you are good fit for the company. You can do this by making eye contact, smiling, having open and relaxed body language. Conclusion. Body language is an important part of communication. By being aware of our body language, we can use it to make a good impression and to build strong relationships. Here are some additional tips for improving your body language. Be mindful of your language in different situations. For example, you may want to use more formal language in professional setting than in casual setting. Pay attention to the body language of others. This can help you to understand their feelings and intentions. Practice using positive body language. The more you practice, the more natural it will become. That's a wrap up for today's episode of Self-Help with Adi. Remember, your growth matters, and together we can create a community of positive change. Until next, stay positive and be kind.